rub it all in.
Huh?
I'm trying to rub it all in. I like the red one.
I know. I should poke my head.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
Casi siempre.
Why are you being a ninny? Show them that you whistle. You whistle really pretty. Yeah. What color is your hair? Rose gold? Pink?
It's pink, but it washed out already.
Yeah.
Really do it.
Yeah, I used to have my hair like that, but in like
We need a heat lamp.